I'll show you how to log into Save Club and look at the savings from the membership side. Okay. And if you're an affiliate, awesome, but it's still the same process. You don't need an app, although we are coming up with an app, but you can go to saveclub.com on your cell phone or home computer, laptop, and start searching the world for savings. Now, this is what you do. All right, I'll promote my links here at the end of the video. Okay, I'm logged in to the back office of saveclub.com. Home, membership, my deals, order history, my team, my referrals. Go through each one of those if you've already signed up with Save Club. And if you have not signed up, I'm going to show you how easy it is after you do. So if you have 20 bucks, come aboard and see where it says my deals on the top here or off to the side. They both go to the same page. Now, when you're logged in, this is what I recommend. Now, I live in Utah, so what I did is I typed in 84120. That's a popular area code here. So, I'm sorry, did I say area code? Zip code. So I put 84120 in, and that means I will get local deals too. Like on local businesses, it could be pizza places, restaurants, of course, tanning salons or gyms or maybe flower shops. But anyway, I think it's nice to put your zip code in there and just see what the heck's going on in your neck of the woods. Or if you're going somewhere like to Canada or on vacation across the world, Asian areas, Africa, down to, let's see, how about New Zealand or Australia? Go ahead and see where you're going and type it in right here. Hit search, and all the deals are going to be right down here. Any one of these, when you hit view deals, it'll tell you exactly what the deal is. You can either print that deal out, or if you're on your cell phone, show it at that place. Or if you have to enter it in like a cruise or Disneyland, Disney World, you'll figure it out. It's super easy. Look, Progressive Insurance, Travelers, Window Genie, all these services or businesses are here in Utah. So if you need to clean up your yard for the summer, how about cleaning your windows? Or your lawn, obviously, Lawn Pride and Mosquito Joe. Maybe you need to kind of get rid of those little things that like to suck on your blood like Dracula. Okay, let's see. Popcorn Factory. That sounds good right now. Vistaprint, that's where I get all my business cards. See all these little babies here? They cost me 22 bucks for a big old box. For this exact card, I round the edges, red little sports car with the white font. I love saveclub.com. That's how I recruit everybody to sign up with Save Club. And then my funnel system. But these are Vistaprint cards. And right now, why not click this button right here, get 10 bucks off, 20 bucks off? Why not? I'm buying the stuff anyway. But look at all these deals, just to give you like a 1-minute overview. Popeyes and Burger King. Who doesn't go to Subway here in America, right? But look at all these businesses. There's thousands and thousands and thousands. Even Madame Tussauds in New York, where you can see a bunch of wax figures that look like you're real superstars or rock stars. I think that's The Rock right there. Is that Dwayne Johnson? Sure looks like him, doesn't it? It better be him. But Sam's Club, even SiriusXM. I have Sirius. I'm a big fan of SiriusXM. Why not get a deal? But that's how you do it. Simple. So you log in, click right there where it says My Deals, or you go right up here where it says My Deals. That's it. 20 bucks a month. In my case, I save way over 20. My first month, I saved 900 and something. I'm going on month 2 now. I probably won't save as much because I don't need tires and all this fancy stuff made out of rubber. But it was nice to know my first 30 days I saved that much. But I have no doubt I'm going to save probably 100, 150 bucks pretty easily this coming 30 days on stuff I'm going to buy anyway. So it's kind of a game to me. I can't wait to go online and go, hey, do I need this? Okay, yep, I do. Boom, save. Why not? Okay, I just wanted to make a short little video to show you that, yes, we do have an app coming up. I was listening to our founder, Charles, the other day, and he goes, yes, an app is being designed, but we don't even need one. You just go to saveclub.com on your cell phone or just go on a home computer like I'm showing you right now. And gosh, it's easy. I don't know what the app will look like. It might even be easier just to log into saveclub.com. But when the app is out, you'll know it. I'll be one of the first to make a video about it. And most people always look for an app anyway when they get a iPhone or a Samsung or smartphone, smart ass phone. Is that what it's called? All right, guys, I love saveclub.com. I want you to go there, check it out, watch the video, and then fill out your information on the form. That's what it looks like. Just watch this video, fill your form out right below me right here, and hit that orange button. And if you go to the funnel system, go ahead and do the same thing. This is for 25 bucks. This is how I've signed up 13 people just over the last 10 days, my funnel system. And how you get to that is just by going to this link, saveclubfunnels.com. Put your email in and watch this 20-minute video and let me know. Okay, so between this page, that page, they both work. And if you do join as an affiliate, I want you to do what I do. Offer both. It's like, do you want vanilla chocolate? You want a crunchy, crisp taco or a soft shell taco? Why not offer two? All right, seems to work. All right, I'm out of here, guys. Thanks for watching my video. This is short for me. Mine are always 10 to 15 minutes long, but if I can get all my chatting done in 6 minutes, you have more time to go screw off and have some fun yourself, okay? Cory at CoryDraper.com. Email me if you need something, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then do this with your finger, and then do it in your nose, and wherever. I'll see you guys next video. Take care. Bye.